Hello everybody, and welcome to another Melody Scanner tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily share your compositions with your friends and band members. I used the Melody Scanner AI to compose a song which I have named Ice Cream Concert. So I want to share this song with my friend Lisa. To do that I can use the new sharing feature. You can find the share button in the upper right corner of the toolbar. A click on it opens the dialog in which you can find your private sharing link. Anyone with this link can copy the song into a songbook. I can now copy it to my clipboard and mail it to Lisa. Lisa can open the link in the browser and the song gets automatically copied into her personal songbook. She can play, edit and add her personal touch to it. The changes she makes only affect her own copy. My original song stays unchanged. We hope this feature helps you to collaborate on your projects, because making music is always better with some friends. That's the sharing feature. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please write us to support@melodyscanner.com.